Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: Azure subscription, an ADF instance, and an Azure DevOps project. Once confirmed, generate a PAT with code read and write scope, or prepare a service principal with repository permissions. Next, open ADF Studio and click Configure Git. Choose Azure DevOps Git as the repository type and paste the PAT or select the service principal. Make sure to pick the correct organization and project, then proceed to the repository selection to create the Git link. Once the connection dialog appears, select the exact repository and set a collaboration branch, typically main or dev, and a publish branch like ADF publish. Make sure to specify a root folder so ADF stores ARM templates in a predictable path. You can import existing resources or create a new folder structure. Also configure branch protection and working branch policies in Azure DevOps to avoid accidental direct pushes. After that, confirm and allow ADF to clone the repo to its workspace. You finish by saving your ADF changes, committing with a clear message, and pushing from the ADF UI. The system generates ARM templates under the Publish branch. Once done, use pull requests for reviews and merge to the collaboration branch, then publish to trigger CI/CD pipelines tied to ADF publish. If something goes wrong, make sure the PAT hasn't expired, the account has repo permissions, and the root folder path matches. Also verify branch protection rules aren't blocking pushes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.